In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a spark plug on a Honda CR-V with a 2.4 liter engine. It is located in the engine area. After you raised your hood, you have to take off this plastic cover here. It is 4 10mm bolts. You can start by unplugging your coil first. You can push down on this tab here, or you can take a pick on the other end and lift up, pull straight to your right, that off to the side, 10mm bolt holding it in. Take your coil, pull straight up and out. Your spark plug is down inside this tube. You need your 5/8 spark plug socket. Make sure it's secure on the spark plug. If you don't have the rubber plug that grabs onto the spark plug top part to pull it out, you can use a magnet. Just put it down the hole and pull your spark plug out. Same thing in installing the spark plug. If your spark plug socket doesn't have your rubber boot, you can put it onto a magnet, slide it down the hole, start it, and then tighten it up with the spark plug socket. Once you have it started, you can pull your magnet out, put your spark plug socket on, tighten that down, and that gets torqued down at 16 foot-pounds. Take your coil, slide it down in your tube, push it down, take your 10mm bolt, tighten that, and that gets torqued down to 9 foot-pounds. Take your plug, install it back onto your coil, wait for your click, install your plastic plate, put your 4 10mm bolts back in, tighten those, and those get torqued down to 9 foot-pounds. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.